Bring yourself to your most comfortable chosen seat and close your eyes. Be comfortable and at ease. Sit so that your head, your neck, and your spine are straight, aligned. Take a long, deep inhale through your nose. And as you exhale through your mouth, feel yourself settling into this experience of self-discovery. Notice your body from the inside. Become still, motionless, and feel what it's like to be still. Notice yourself within this stillness. What does it feel like? However you experience your body, yourself, is okay. You can't do this wrong. Just feel yourself still. And bring your awareness to the top of your head and feel. Be aware of your forehead, your eyes, your nose, cheeks, your jaws, your lips, your tongue, your chin, your neck, your shoulders. Relax the shoulders. Just let them be. Be aware of your arms, of your wrists, your hands, your fingers, and the tips of your fingers. Your hands, your wrists, your arms, your shoulders, your heart within your chest. Feel the space in the front of your heart, the back, and on both sides. Just let that space be, and notice as you let it be, a feeling of spaciousness happens. Feel your belly, your hips. Are you holding on? If so, gently let go. Your knees, your ankles, your feet, your toes, and the tips of your toes. Feel your feet, your ankles, your knees, your hips, your belly, your heart, shoulders, arms, wrists, palms of the hands, fingers, fingertips, palms of the hands, wrists, shoulders, neck, chin, jaws, lips, tongue, tip of the nose, eyes, forehead, and the top of the head. Feel yourself perfectly still. Allow your breath to be smooth, silent, even, no space between your inhale and your exhale. Feel the stillness. Feel your body responding to the breath. Feel a gentle expansion on your inhale and moving back to center on your exhale. Observe. Bring your awareness to your diaphragm, the space the size of the palm of your hand, just below your breastbone, above your belly. Feel that space push in gently on your exhale and expand naturally on your inhale. Focus on that space and observe the breath. If any thoughts, feelings, memories, or emotions arise, allow. And just come back to focus on the feeling of the breath at that space. Feeling that space press in gently with the exhale and expand naturally on the inhale. If a good thought comes, that's okay. If a bad thought comes, that's okay too. Just come back to focusing on that space. Breathing smooth, even, silent. Feel the stillness. And bring your awareness to the sense of breath touching the inside of the nose as you breathe. Remain there, undisturbed by thoughts. Feel the flow of the air, the sense of touch. Allow any thoughts, memories, emotions to come. And let them go. Remain with the sense of the touch of the breath in the nose. Gently allowing good thoughts or bad thoughts to arise. Focus on the sensation of the breath. On your inhale, you can hear the sound so, and your exhale hum. Gentle, focus. Feel the breath. Feel stillness. Go deep into the silence and the stillness and observe. While remaining aware of the silence of the mind, the stillness of the body, and the smooth, gentle breath. Slowly open your eyes.